Picture this. You're at the airport, ready to board your flight. The gate opens and suddenly it's pandemonium. People are scrambling, pushing, and shoving their way through. The boarding process becomes a chaotic scramble, causing stress and frustration for everyone involved. It's a scene we've all experienced at least once in our travels. But what if there was a way to make this process more orderly and efficient? Enter sequential boarding. Sequential boarding, also known as structured boarding, is a method where passengers are called to board in a specific order. This order is usually based on seat assignments or other priority criteria. It's an approach that aims to streamline the boarding process, reduce congestion, and improve the overall efficiency of boarding. So how does sequential boarding work, and why is it beneficial? Firstly, it brings about efficiency. By calling passengers to board in a structured manner, sequential boarding reduces the time spent waiting in line and the congestion in the boarding area. This speeds up the boarding process, reducing the chaos we're all too familiar with. Secondly, it enhances on-time performance. When boarding delays are minimized, airlines can stick to their departure schedules more closely. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also boosts the operational performance of the airlines. Thirdly, sequential boarding significantly improves the passenger experience. Passengers can board the aircraft smoothly, find their seats with ease, and settle in more quickly. This reduces the stress and frustration often associated with boarding, making the travel experience more enjoyable. Fourthly, it optimizes aircraft turnaround time. Airlines always strive to minimize the time aircraft spend on the ground between flights to maximize their utilization. By expediting the boarding phase, sequential boarding allows airlines to turn around aircraft faster, thereby increasing their efficiency. Fifthly, sequential boarding enables effective priority management. Passengers with special needs, those traveling in premium cabins, or those requiring extra assistance can be boarded first. This ensures they have enough time and support to settle into their seats comfortably. Lastly, sequential boarding contributes to better load balancing. By boarding passengers in a structured sequence, airlines can distribute weight evenly throughout the aircraft. This ensures the safety and stability of the flight, which is paramount. In summary, sequential boarding is a game changer. It enhances operational efficiency, improves passenger experience, and contributes to on-time performance. It's a win-win for both airlines and passengers alike, transforming the chaos of boarding into a smooth, seamless process. So, the next time you're at the airport, keep an eye out for sequential boarding. It might just make your journey that much more pleasant.